sige. Hawakan mo naman ito. Sabi naman si Asyong Salongo sa gitna.
Bubuhin ba yung kubo? Ay, bubulangin ako kubo. Para masunod talaga. Realistic.
Request na, pakitali po yung
Busy pa yung Jason talaga.
Wait, inaskaso pa lang. So, isang oras pa daw, mga Luis. Baka puti pa ng talabata. Baka pumabot pa ng talabata po. Okay na ba? Okay. So again, I will introduce to you. Okay, kasama ng aking partner. Okay, from Team Rocket Front, please give it up for John Michael Vista.
Be frightened, little boy.
Allow us to introduce ourselves.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
James.
Team Rocket, blast up at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
Yes, that's right.
Mukhang sasayaw to. Yun na yun? Grabe! Walang kinalaman dito, ha? Akala ko si... Sir, akala ko si Asyong Salongo yung nakaupo.